of land and sky. Baby kittens chase their tails, bunny hops and wiggly trails, ducklings waddling in a row, following where mama goes. Chirpy chicks go peep, 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 puppies tumble in a heap, tiny lambs all soft and white leap and bounce with pure delight. Piglets snort and roll in mud, frogs go hopping with a thud, owlets blink with eyes so wide, learning how to flap and glide. Fluffy nest to jungle floors, nature's babies we adore. Cuddly, chirpy, loud or small, we love these little ones most of all.